it going, guys? Angel of Cars here, and today I'm going to go to the junkyard to pick up a couple of parts. I need some front and rear motor mount. I just finished getting out the yard. I only got the front and rear motor mount. Alright everybody, so today I'm going to be making some new motor mounts, version 2, and the other ones were holding up alright in the beginning, but now they're just they're kind of shot, not gonna lie. So I got this product from a website. I'll put the link down in the description below. 60A. If anything, if these go out, I might switch up to the 80A instead to make it a little stiffer. But I'm going to try this for now, see how it is. And I got the motor mounts over here, and they're prepped and ready to go. So I'm going to mix it. It's the mix ratio is 10 to 1 or 100 to 1 or 100 to 10. So got my little scale over here. I'm going to weigh it out and start pouring. And since this is version 2, I'm going to put some Play-Doh around the edges so none of the liquid urethane falls out. And I'm going to measure where this is supposed to be so it can be exact the way it came from factory. So Play-Doh and some tinfoil to keep it from moving around, or leaking I should say. So yeah. Alright guys, so I poured it. The Play-Doh looks like it really helped holding in all the liquid from coming out. As you can see there, looks pretty good. And then over here, I don't know where that leak is coming from, but it seems to be holding up now. I think I know where it's coming from. I think it's like in the middle over there where I couldn't get the Play-Doh in. But yeah, they're both coming out really good. I'm going to wait an entire day, and then I'm going to see if I can clean them up too. I probably should have done that. I probably should have done that before I did all this, but you know, you live and you learn, and let's see. Alright, so this was the gallon, and this amount served. I was able to do two mounts, two torque mounts, so a front and a rear mount. So if you're doing any more than two, I would recommend you buy an extra one, especially if your mounts are bigger than mine right now. Mine are. And yeah, so I did two of them with like some to spare. So, and this certain urethane, I believe it sets in 15 minutes and then cures in 16 hours. So yeah, so I'm gonna let it sit for a day just to be a little on the safe side. And it's already setting. That's crazy. And then yeah, I'll put this in the description below where I got it. And yeah, alright, so it's been overnight. I let them dry overnight, and here's what they look like. Now I'm going to take out the Play-Doh and the cardboard and see what it looks like on the other side. But these things are pretty in there.